Okay, students, so we're going to continue talking about section 7.1, simplifying expressions. So we have x minus 7 over 7 minus x. They may look the same, but they're not. When they're separated with that negative sign, it's not the same thing. It's like 2 minus 4 is not the same thing as 4 minus 2. If I were to rewrite this like this, keeping the signs with them, it's a little bit easier to see that they're not the same thing. What you do in this case is on the top, we're going to factor out a negative 1. And when you factor out a negative 1, it changes the signs. We'd be left with negative x plus 7 on top. Don't factor anything out of the bottom. Now we're set up to cancel. So our answer there, simplified, would be negative 1. If we had 3x minus 21 over x squared minus 7x. Well, on the top, we can factor out a 3. They have a 3 in common. We'd be left with 3 times the quantity x minus 7. On the bottom, x is the greatest common factor. They both have an x. We can factor out x. We'd be left with x minus 7. Then we can cancel. We'd be left with, for our answer for this problem, 3 over x. Sometimes you're going to have to factor both the top and bottom a little more than usual. So if we have x squared plus 5x plus 6 over x squared minus 4x minus 12, the top would factor into x plus 3, x plus 2, because 2 times 3 is 6, 2 plus 3 is 5. The bottom would factor into x minus 6, x plus 2, because negative 6 times 2 gives me that negative 12. Negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4. Now we can cancel. We're left with an answer of x plus 3 over x minus 6. This would be our simplified answer. The x's do not cancel because they're like whole terms.